Product Manager Roadmap. 0 to Job Ready. Why product management is important. Every product needs direction. Someone must decide what to build, why to build, for whom. Product managers do bridge between business technology users. Step 1. Understand basics. Product lifecycle user needs. Market research. Step 2. Learn business thinking, revenue models, customer value, competition analysis. Step 3. Learn tools. Use tools like Jira, Notion. Step 4. Learn product design basics, user experience, wireframing, feature planning. Step 5. Build case studies, redesign an app, improve a feature, analyze a product. Step 6. Learn data analysis, use data to make decisions, track performance. Step 7. Communication skills, work with teams. Explain ideas clearly, what companies expect. Problem solving, decision making, leadership skills. Common mistakes, focusing only on theory, ignoring real world cases, not understanding users. The timeline 3 to 6 months with practical learning. Career path: associate PM, right pointing arrow; product manager, right pointing arrow; senior PM. The final take: product managers build direction. They decide what gets built and why. Rocket